Can you put a microwave above a wall oven? Superb 4 things that you need to know about this appliance. Milk wood. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. An over-the-range microwave oven can be mounted atop a wall oven. Although it depends on the manufacturer, it is possible. When it comes to size, a wall oven will be much smaller than your typical oven. Because it doesn't have to house a door, this makes it easier to access and clean. However, wall ovens can't do many tasks like baking bread and roasting meat like a traditional stovetop oven. Wall ovens come with a variety of features including convection cooking modes. This allows you to set multiple settings for different foods without switching between each setting.